There's always talks about perfect timing in the garden, but here's what real actual timing looks like. This right here is on the edge. If I leave it any longer, it will turn yellow and bitter. Because when cucumbers stay too long on the vine, they overripe, they develop more seeds, and they taste bitter. I'm telling you. So we're going to get this right now before it gets there. And to think that this is the only ready cucumber that I have in the garden, you know. This is the part you don't always get to see. It's not about perfect timing, it's constant decision. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacy. I thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. These right here, overdue. When you leave them too long, they dry out and start to lose their taste. So if they are savory, like these regular Jamaican corns, the savory taste is cut down. If they are sweet corns, they will start losing their taste. So perfect timing, let's not think like that anymore. Right timing is always better than perfect timing. I should have gotten these already. So I just get all of them because I need to rinse up these and get some other corns planted inside here. In there, more. There's a foliage right there. See what's inside these with you. I've been getting some rain. Yay! I've been needing to clean up the garden and I haven't gotten too far. Boo! But yeah, it's never about perfect timing. Always about getting it done. Or getting them when needed. I just need now to just root out these corns so I can get the space to do. You know I miss one? Tiny one. Nothing is there. on the man. Ah, buddy's stronger than I am. I have to get the cutlass. Anyways, you get the drift. I need to take out all of these babies. No, this is the right timing for these. Callaloo, red callaloo. Whether red or green, these are nice and tender. Best time to get these. When you leave your callaloo too long, especially this one, the red callaloo, they get tough and woody. So it's best to get them nice and tender, like these. So you really don't wait for perfect time in your harvest before problems start. These are so nice and tender. When I harvest callaloo and I prepare them, my children, man, they praise me so much. They're like, Mommy, these callaloo are top tier. Of course, the stink bugs, they never fail to get on my callaloo. But they won't stop me. Alright, so we'll get just about these. And this is the part people ignore. What you don't remove can actually slow everything down. These leaves are not helping anymore. So you want to get rid of them. You see, dead and damaged leaves, they don't photosynthesize and they can attract pests and take energy away from new growth. So instead of helping the plant, they are actually holding it back. When you remove all of these from the plants, it will now focus on its new growth and even producing for you. I am constantly moving, harvesting, cleaning up, and planting. So I need something to keep up with me. This right here, these are from FitVille. They're designed with a wide toe box, so your feet have more space and less pressure. And that for sure matters, especially when you're out here for long hours, because tight shoes can lead to foot, knee, and ankle discomfort over time. So these are comfortable, stable, and I can move around the garden without feeling strained. If you want to check them out, I have a 30% discount code. I'll drop it in the description for you. And they are true to size. I must tell you that. This is a size 6. Yeah. So yes, perfect timing isn't about waiting. It's about acting before things go wrong. Good timing beats perfect timing all the time. Not this one, chubby. It may get a little bit on me, but I'm meant to leave those. at this beauty right here. So pretty. To get this little one right here, banana pepper. Well, it's not so little. You know, I changed my mind. I'm going to see how far it gets. So maybe it's not the perfect timing. Let's get this little pepper. West Indian red. So these pepper that I got, sweet pepper or bell pepper, and this banana pepper, because this one starts to change color. You know, they can turn to orange too, you know. You know, I should have, well, I'll try with another one. And these are some Scotch bonnet peppers. Yeah. And these are some cayenne peppers. Talk about perfect timing. Look at these string beans. Should have gotten them already, which I didn't. So perfect timing. Let's get rid of that notion so that we can get the stuff them before they go bad. So now I'm just going to leave these to replant. The same thing right here. But I am currently cleaning up, so yeah. I see a few scotches, 2 of them right here, but I also see a lizard. Yeah, there's a lizard right there. Shoo! It's still there, you know. See it there? Ah! Shoo! Ah! The drum gone over there, so. Alright, so let's get this and this. So these gungo are pigeon peas. I didn't actually get them when I was supposed to. And so they dried. I still can't use the dry gungo. I just prefer, you know, the green ones. Yeah. So because it's been raining, the rain let them look a little yucky, mildew. Yeah. But I am still going to get them. There's a little forestry going on right here, so this callaloo in that bucket. Yeah, I'm actually going to get rid of this callaloo. But look at the bushes coming out of my dragon fruit containers around there. So look here, forestry going on right here. But anyways, let me get these gungo. So you see, when you wait for the perfect timing to harvest, you're not going to get exactly what you want or need at the time. A lot of the times, things we hear about gardening, it's not completely true, you know. Until you start gardening for yourself and experience things for yourself, you're not going to know. The intention is for me to share what I've learned, observe, and experience. Yeah. I'm not going to get any more of these. Always best to get your leafy greens. Like I said earlier, nice and tender does it. What would you like from this basket? Comment below and tell me. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk well.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.